So, this is it, right? That's a wrap. I think those 2 days went by so fast, it felt like 1 hour to me, sometimes. Sometimes it felt like a bit sleepy hour. I think everybody here is exhausted from the amount of talks, from the amount of good conversations, but there's positive and negative exhaustion, and I think, at least for me, I can say it was very positive. I'm full of motivation, I'm full of energy. I'm looking forward to get back home, to apply all those new ideas, all those inspirational conversations that I had, and I hope it's the same for every one of you. So, in good spirit, we will start, of course, with a big round of thank yous, starting with our sponsors. I have to say, like, literally, this event could not happen with sponsors. It's, of course, not cheap to do it, and without it, it would have not happened. So, a big round of applause for our sponsors. Thank you very much. And one more thing, not just for the sponsors, but for everyone that I will thank, apart from the core team. I'm especially thankful because it's the first edition. That means it's so much trust that people give you. We haven't proved ourselves until now. We had just an idea and a lot of PowerPoint slides, but nothing apart from that. So I'm really thankful for the trust that we got. And I also want to thank the speakers. Without the speakers, this event would be pretty boring. I mean, we are all good at hanging out, talking, and nerding out about technical stuff, but with some really good talks, it's much more entertaining, much more good. And also, one more thing about the speakers, I'm thankful that they create all those cool events for everybody here on the site, but all the talks are recorded. So the value and the knowledge that is created for the whole world, for every Godot developer out there that is starting out or is having very specific problems in their development, it's such a big benefit for them too. So I think that's a big aspect to give a big round of applause to the speakers. And with that, I also want to thank for all the talk and workshop submissions that didn't make it into the selection, into the final selection, because everybody thought about a topic that is interesting. Thanks a lot for that. And also, thanks for the calls of proposal committee that looked through all those talks, rated it, thought about it, discussed about it. That was a ton of work. So another round of applause for that. And I already mentioned all the talks being online, being recorded, being live, and they are already live. I don't know how many people there noticed that you can already see a lot of the talks online, and that's only possible. I was having a little. Okay, thanks to the C3 team, to the Chaos Computer Club, video operations Center. I was about to say command, but that sounded like PVKK. So to the center, they did an amazing job again. It's so great to work with the professionals there. It's just like they come in, they're always chill. Anything can happen. They're just like, yeah, no problem. Just the usual business. And that feels great. So thanks for them. And that's the URL where you can already see pretty much, it feels like all of the talks already. And now back one slide, if it works, if I don't misclick. Okay. Thanks to the Godot Foundation. They supported us a lot with the marketing. They supported us with allowing us doing this crazy thing and this idea. They also showed up in numbers, which I honestly didn't expect to be so many of the foundation here. It feels really great. It feels like they endorsed the event and really supported us. And I'm also thankful for their support for making a good job, feeling everybody welcome, supporting us with the Code of Conduct team, like they added their workforce to make it sure that everybody feels welcome. That was really great and nice. So thanks again to the foundation. And now a very specific thank you. Johannes did the opening and he put a spotlight on all the people that were the team, but I feel like he didn't get a proper spotlight. So now we do that. Thanks Johannes, he did so much on the event. I don't even know where to start. And one more person that didn't get a spotlight, I think so, I'm not quite sure. But in case we give like an extra thank you to Ste, who did the community support, who can't be here today and also yesterday. He did run all the Discord, like answered tons of messages. So one round of applause to Ste. And the next one is from my personal heart, I think the biggest one. But I think it's not the last one, but almost done. The volunteers, like without them. Without them, it would just not have been possible, not even like remotely. So they really carried the whole event, and that was amazing. So I have a proposal. Oh, that happened too fast. Yeah, that got merged pretty quickly, I think. So I really hope to see you again next year. We really plan on doing it on a yearly basis. Of course, we still have to wait for the feedback. So if 90% of you says, "Wow, that was horrible, it sucked," then maybe we will reconsider it. But if that's not the case, then we will probably, hopefully, see each other again next year. And I'm not done. Wait a second. There's like 3 very operational things how you can support us. And I hope that works now with clicking. No, click. Oh, here we go. Feedback would be great. We will be sending out an email asking you for feedback, giving probably some kind of form where we ask about what did you like, what you didn't like. If you have ideas for the next year, that would be very appreciated if you take your time. The next point is if you share, if you took photos, if you have stories to share on social media, of course we appreciate it. And the last one is we still have a couple of t-shirts out there. So if you didn't get one and you want a nice little memory, we would of course love that. And now the last slide. Yeah, with cash payments. Thanks to you for coming, thanks to you for giving us the trust, because this is the first edition, like nobody knows what's happening. We could like have waited here with a knife and just robbed everyone, but that didn't happen luckily. So thanks for your trust, thanks for the long travels that a lot of people had. That's we really appreciate it, and it warms my heart to see so many people here coming to us just for the idea, and yeah, thanks to you. And I lied, it's actually not the last slide. That's the last slide. I wish everyone safe travels, get home safely, keep the memories to your heart that you made this 2 days, I was about to say weekend, but these 2 days, for me it feels like a weekend. But yeah, safe travels, get back home safely, have a good time, and thanks to everyone.